What's up, Thrill Rides? Zach here to provide a quick current update on events at Kings Island. This was filmed on the weekend of May 20th, Christmas Stock Weekend. Construction is moving along quickly now, and more progress has been made since then. In this footage, you will see cargo Loco with 6 and 12 bills, as well as testing with 6 bills on the ride. Over the weekend, the remaining 6 arrived and has since been installed on the ride. Soul Spin looks to be nearly completed. Progress is also being made with Metro Express's new entrance, queue line, and enhanced theming. The coaster's new sign has also been installed, then from this video. In order to footage of this new area coming along, it looks to be a well-themed area. We can't wait until the area opens up. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more content from Thrill Rides.